So after graduating high school, I kind of thought about what I really wanted to get into and what I really wanted to pursue in my life. Then I came up with I really wanted to touch the world and figure out how to really go about what could I do to make a change somewhat in the world. So I went into something that I really like, and I like to work out a lot, and I like to really help people push forward into achieving things they didn't even know was possible. What really pushed me a lot was the fact that having my daughter really opened my eyes a whole lot more to realize the things I could do without even realizing it myself. Like having her in my vision, knowing I could do a whole lot more. And it's just so amazing. I don't want to let her down. But one of the key problems that I have is I'm a bit shy. I I mean, like when I get around a group of people that I do get along with, yeah, I can open up, but I just have some kind of a problem with being shy at the beginning. So that's one of my problems. In order for me to be a great personal trainer, I feel like I have to break out of that shell and just be very out and open with everybody the moment I see them and greet them. One of the main things I feel like that would really push me to be very outspoken and be very communicative. I mean, I am communicative, but very much more open instead of having to be broken into. So I feel like as if I was to speak to a little crowd more and more, adding more people to the crowd, I feel like that'll push me a whole lot more to do a whole lot great. Also, in order to be a great personal trainer, I have to do a lot of studying, tons of studying. I want to realize how the body works, what makes the body work, what doesn't make the body work. Leading into as far as nutrition, protein, fat, vitamins, carbohydrate, water, all those things push the body on what they can and can't do. Certain things can make you achieve great things. Some things make you feel down and depressed because you don't have enough vitamins or enough protein. Your body just starts shutting down little by little. Along with the nutrients, you have to go with realizing how to set up a workout program. So the 5 phases: stabilization, muscle endurance, hypertrophy, maximal strength, and power. You want to realize how to set up a workout routine instead of just going every day working on upper body, lower body. You want to realize how to set up a specific program so that you can get the results you want. As for my dream studio, of course, I have to have some kind of a boxing bag because I love boxing. I've always loved it since the moment I put a first pair of gloves on. Of course, with bags, it has to come with weights. So I would like to have it half and half bags, half weights. Do in between workouts from hitting the bag, going to doing weights, or vice versa, doing weights, going to bags. Hitting the bag, great amount of conditioning. And after having my own studio, I eventually do want to travel and start working with a ton of people. I want to travel across the world if I can, and really get my name out there and really meet the whole world basically. Really want to work with celebrities, not because of the money or fame, but because I would like to have my trophy being displayed on the television, on a movie. I want an actor to be very, very cut up, very well built. I can say I helped him do that. I helped him achieve that. I also really, really, really want to help out with Special Olympics because I feel like doing that would be one of my greatest achievements as far as working with celebrities or being the biggest personal trainer. But just having a sister who I grew up with, she has Down syndrome, and we're unbreakable. I just love her so much, and she helped me realize the things they can't do, and they're like very lovable people. It's tremendous. That's why I really, 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 really want to work with them in the Special Olympics. As far as even if I just hold a flag, that's I'm fine with that. But as long as I can help them out with getting ready for their Special Olympics and their sport, I'll be satisfied. I also want to be able to spread the knowledge as far as being a great personal trainer and showing people how to work out well, what to eat, when to how to set up their own program. So if I could work with just 4 people and have those 4 people spread out another 4 people, have them spread out another 4 people, I feel like that's a great achievement as well. And of course, with workout, I mean having fitness in the equation, it leads to a great health, very great health. It'll help out with as far as diseases, bad habits, clearly bad prevention. I just feel like having fitness involved in health makes everything that much more better. I feel like though if you have fitness involved in your life, it would help balance out the chronic diseases that goes on in life. I feel like there's so many people in the world that because they don't do enough fitness or do any fitness, the chronic disease comes and affects them really bad to the point where it affects their family because they can't go and enjoy life with them. Now, yes, I would like to be a well-known personal trainer, not just for not for the fame, for the glory, for the money. Just the fact that they can know, like, if they really want to change their lifestyle and their body, they can come to me and they will know that for the fact that how big I am and how great I've achievements I have accomplished, they'll be well off with me in their hands. And of course, my family is gonna grow to be a healthy family because my daughter she's already working out with me in the gym. She's barely 2.5. So it's gonna be a fun ride when she gets older and when she can really start working out with me. That is the end. Thank you for following.